Good morning, student. Chapter number 6. In the last period, I have finished the reading of the chapter. Today, I am going to explain the lesson with hard word meanings. So, chapter number 6 is safety first. This work we have done in the last period. The sign, road signs. This sign is dangerous, dip. This is other danger. This reverse bend, school ahead, uneven road, and no horn. Okay, this work we have done in the last period. So now start the explanation of the chapter. Our carelessness can cause accident. Underline the word accident. Accident means unwanted event. To prevent. Underline the word prevent. Prevent means to stop. Prevent means to stop. These accident we should follow some safety rule. It means accident can cause because of our carelessness. If we follow safety rule, we can avoid the accident. Safety at home. There are some safety rules which we must follow at home. Let's see. Safety rule at home. First, knives, blade, scissor, etc. are some sharp object. These sharp object useful to us, but we should always handle them carefully and use. You know that knives, blade and scissor are sharp object. If we play with these things, we get injured. Them in presence of an adult. If you want to use these objects, you just stay with an adult and follow the safety rule. Do not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt you. It means be careful with the glass object because it might hurt you. Second rule, never put your finger into plug point. Do not touch electric switches or electrical appliances with wet hand. You may get an electric shock. Stay away from open wires or appliances. Underline the word appliances. Appliances means object. So, never put the finger in the plug and do not touch the wire or electric appliances with the wet hand. If you will touch these objects with wet hand, you will get an electric short. Okay, so stay away from these objects or these appliances. Next rule is we need heat in our home for warmth and for cooking, but fire will be dangerous because it can burn us. We know that heat is very necessary for the cooking food or getting warmth, but sometimes it may be cause of an accident. Fire can burn you. Always ask an adult to light a matchstick. When you want to burn a matchstick, stay with an adult. Do not leave matchstick burning and throw where they can cause fire. After the burning, put the matchstick into the dustbin, not anywhere. Always light the candle in the stand. When you want to burn a candle, below the candle, use candle stand. Do not light the glass stove yourself. Ask an adult. When you want to light the gas stove, just ask your parents. Then you can use it. Never stand close to the lighted gas stove. it may can burn you. It may burn you. Next rule is Diwali is the festival of fun and joy. We know that. Be alert while bursting the cracker. Always burn cracker in the presence of an adult. Do not wear synthetic clothes as they catch fire quickly. We know that Diwali is the festival of joy and fun, but sometimes it may cause the accident if we not follow safety rule. Suppose you are bursting a fire in the absence of parents or an adult, you may hurt. So always bursting the fire in the presence of adults. Okay, while the bursting fire, don't wear synthetic clothes because it catch fire fastly. Quickly means fastly. Next rule is always keep your toys, bags, books, other things at the right place after using them. It means when you used toys, bags or books, just put them in the proper place. Do not leave them lying on the floor, because if you leave them lying on the floor, you might be trip or fall down and get hurt. Hurt means injured. Next rule is do not run over the stairs and around the house. Do not fly a kite or play on the terrace. You may fall down and get badly hurt. At home, do not run over the stairs. Walk slowly on the stair, one by one step, not two steps at once. Okay, and do not play on the terrace, because while playing you may fall down and get hurt. Next rule is be careful while walking on wet floor and while bathing in the bathroom, so that you may not get slip and fall. So be very careful in the bathroom, because bathroom is little slippery. Or do not keep the soap on the floor, otherwise you may fall down. Do not take medicine on your own. Always take an advice of adult before taking any medicine. To take medicine, just take advice from the doctor or an adult. Do not take medicine by your own. There are some pictures with right tick, which is not safe, and cross, which is safe. Coin is not safe. Blade is not safe. The piece of whatever, I don't know what is this, is not safe. And this is, I think, balloon is not safe. Okay. Now, safety on road. Be alert while crossing the road. Always cross the road on the zebra crossing or use subway. While walking on the road, you just use zebra crossing to cross the road, and for walking, use subway. Before crossing the road, look at your right, then left, then again right. Before crossing the road, look right, then left, then right, then cross the road. And cross the road when the traffic light is red, because when the traffic light is red, all the vehicles stop moving. That is why it is safe to cross the road when the traffic light is red. Next rule is always walk on the pavement. Do not walk on the wrong side of the road. or the center. Pavement is a narrow way to walk inside the on the side of the road. Do not walk wrong side and center. Always walk on the left side. Okay. Do not use earphones while walking on the road. If you are using headphone, so you cannot listen the horn or signal of any vehicle. So never use earphone while walking on the road. Next rule is, while riding bicycle, keep your left. Do not overtake other vehicle. Use hand signal to cross the road and turn to left or right. When you riding a bicycle on the road, just keep your left and don't try to overtake any vehicle. Use hand signal because you are riding in a cycle, so use hand signal, and always wear helmet while riding bicycle, and follow the traffic sign and traffic lights. There are 3 lights in the traffic: red, yellow, green. Red light say stop. Yellow light say wait, and green light says move. Okay, so follow the traffic sign and traffic lights. Next rule is, make a queue while getting in or off the bus. Do not push while waiting. Do not put your head or hand out of the window of the door of the moving bus. So, to enter the bus or to off the bus, don't be panic. Don't push with other. Make the queue and waiting for your turn. Do not put your head or hand out of the window of moving bus. Do not make noise or disturb the driver while driving. Okay, do not disturb the driver, because if you will disturb the driver will lose their concentration and it can cause accident. Safety at school. There are some safety rules which you must follow at the school. First, do not run in the classroom or jump over the desks. Do not run up or down the staircase. Do not slide over the banister. At the school, do not run over the stairs, on the jump, and do not slide over the banister. Second rule, always walk in a queue in a corridor. Do not push or tease anybody. Underline the word tease. Tease means disturb. Disturb. So, do not disturb anybody at school. Always walk in the queue, in corridor, while walking in a queue. Okay. Never throw paper balls and other things at other. Do not climb over the school gate, because you may fall down. Safety at playground. First, never push other while playing on the swing, seesaw and merry-go-round. These are the objects, and do not push other while playing on the object like sliding or seesaw or merry-go-round. Okay. Do not fight while playing. Do not hit anybody with any equipment. Equipment means outfit. So, do not fight with anyone and Do not hit because it can cause major injuries. Okay. Next is do not play near bushes and barbed wire. Next rule is never swim in deep water. Always use swimming tube while swimming. Play fair game. It means don't play rough game like pushing, like fighting and hitting anyone. So do not play rough game. Always play fair game. First aid. First aid. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Immediate means suddenly. Suddenly. Okay. So, first aid is the immediate help that given to injured person before doctor arrives. Suppose if someone is fall down, so you just wash the wound with the clean water, apply antiseptic. Then if the wound is major, then go to the doctor. So this help is called first aid. You can follow the given first aid step. First, do not gather around an injured person. If someone is injured, so do not gathering. It means gathering should be not there around the victim. Second, don't panic and be calm. It means just relax and think what should you do at this condition. Third, sit relaxed on the chair or lie down. Whatever in which condition you feel comfortable, you can sit relax on the chair or you can lie down. Fourth, if there's a small cut, clean the wound with antiseptic lotion and then apply antiseptic cream on the wound. If there is a small cut, there is no need to doctor. You just wash the wound with the antiseptic lotion like Dettol and just dry it and apply antiseptic cream, or you can also apply an antiseptic bandage on the wound. If the wound is major, then go to the doctor. Otherwise, there is no need to doctor if there is small cut or small wound. Okay, so this is first aid. What things should be in the first aid? There should be antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream, bandage, crepe bandage, cotton, scissor, normal painkiller. Okay, these things should be there in the first aid box. Next is, if there is bleeding, first press firmly. Underline the word firmly, means strongly. Over the wound with clean clothes or tie the bandage. Wash under lukewarm running water and gently pat dry. Okay, so if there is bleeding, just tie the bleeding area with clothes or bandage to stop the bleeding, and wash under lukewarm running water and gently pat dry. Next is, if there's a burn, cool it under the cold running water. Then apply an antiseptic burn lotion on it. If you get burn, you just apply the burning area under the cold water and for the at least 10 minutes and just apply the burning lotion like burn-on. Okay, so reading and explanation both are completed. Now I have given some work in the last period. I hope you have done. Hot things can burn if you touch them. Look at the picture, tick right 5 things that are hot and cross the other. Like iron. Iron is hot. Toy, not. Pen may be hot. Tap, no. Scissor, no. Box, I think can, not. Heater is hot object. Hammer is not. Knife is not. Microwave oven is hot. Toaster is hot. Toffee is not hot object. So match your activity with my activity. If there is a need correction, then you can correct. Okay, it's time for assignment. Your assignment question is, what will happen when you put your finger into the plug point? And second, what is the first doctor at home? These are your homework question for assignment. Think and find out the answer of these questions.